Aww. Ow! Yeah, it's Sandy.
That's one.
Hit her, please.
No! It hit my tooth.
Oh, whoa, whoa. You just throw one down my shirt.
Henry, that's great.
Alright, record me. Alright, Henry, let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, beat Dylan's record.
Doing it with grape?
I can do it with grapes.
Oh god. You're gonna choke.
I can do a grade too.
I can do it with grapes. I'll beat you in grapes.
No, you won't.
Yeah, well. Wait, let me beat you in Skittles.
Alright. Whatever.
Okay, that was bad. So.
Nope, too bad.
No, that's not.
Yes, it does.
I didn't even get one in yet.
Yeah, it does.
You have to wait till I get one in.
No. Haha. Whack. No, that don't count. That don't count because you threw it. Whack.
Henry, what's wrong now?
I don't know, it's like...
Wait.
See, nope, nope.
That's two.
Nope, that don't count. That don't count. Whack. That don't count. That don't count. That's one.
That's my Christmas.
Wow! Okay. That's one. Whack. Ching.
Four.
Henry!
Five.
No.
Too nice.
No.
Five.
Nope.
Never.
Six.
Six, alright.
Wait.
No, you can't do that. You have to keep going. I didn't stop.
Fuck you.
Yo.
Okay.
Pervert.
7.
Damn it, Henry!
8.
Oh, okay. 8. Don't get nervous. Don't swallow.
9.
Spit.
Oh, that went in. I let it out.
9. Okay, 9. 9. My turn.
9, kid.
I'm done.
I beat you. I beat him.
Wow, my back.
That Skittles the exact same color as your towel.
See, there's an orange Skittle, a purple Skittle,
Holy crap.
and the red and gray Skittles that look like Christmas.
Huh?
Can I have a bottle of water? Please. Talking to Henry. Thank you.
One of those is still mine. Don't drink one bottle of water.
The taste of Skittles and M&M's tastes really nasty.
Yeah.
The chocolate and the fruity flavors. Not good.
It's not a good mix.
Nope.